Hey guys, so today let's learn how to get 3D home screen on your iPhone. So this is going to be a pretty easy tutorial, but there is actually no direct way to do this directly by the iPhone's features. But there is a workaround on this, and that is to go on to your Pinterest application and do a quick search of the 3D wallpaper iPhone. So this is going to show you some results, and you guys need to go ahead and choose is the one that stands out to you the most. So what I'm meaning by this, I'm going to go ahead and change my search query. I'm going to add icons to that. Well, once you have searched for the perfect photo, we do have that right here. All we need to do is to set this to our wallpaper. And how do we do that? Of course, let's go back onto our wallpaper and then go on over our notification centers. Now, once we are here, I'd like you to go ahead and long press on your lock screens and then, of course, tap on this plus icon right here. Next, let's tap on add a new wallpaper, or just choose any lock screen that you prefer, because what we need to go ahead and do is to change our home screen as well. So just tap on customize home screen, and once you're here, all we need to do is to just tap on photo and go on the specific album on Pinterest or the specific photo that you have downloaded from Pinterest, and then set it as so. Once you have done that, you can actually tap on done, and once you go on over your home screen, you should see this layout over here. Now all we need to do is to go ahead and fill in these shadows with the appropriate icon. So if you do have some widgets that are this big, go ahead and fill it in right here, and then rearrange the icons depending on what your wallpaper looks like. And essentially that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and take care.